Well, I had these tires ever since I had the truck for 4 years, and I got to make a trip to Columbia, and these rear tires are hardly any tread left. And the front tires, one of the tires on the inside, is really smooth. Time to replace it. That's what they make credit cards for. So $846 later, I got some brand new tires. I always go to local company, D&D Tire Service in Donovan. They always treat me right. I've never had any issue whatsoever with them. Now the workers there, they sometimes don't know as much as what they need to. But for example, there's some play in these rear tires, and they told me that the wheel bearings are going out. I had one of the main guys that I see check it, and he said it's not the wheel bearings. It's the way they're designed. There's a keeper that keeps the axle in, and he said that the rear tires will all do that on almost every vehicle out there. But I'm very happy with D&D Tire Service. So next Friday, I'm taking my truck and I'm going to pick up my oldest sister and my middle sister's best friend Kim, and we're going to drive to Columbia to see my nephew graduate high school. Jeremiah is graduating high school. I can't believe how time flies. But anyway, I've had people complain, Mark, you need to wash your truck before you pick these people up. So I wash my truck. I live on a gravel road. If it's dirty, by the time next Friday shows around, it's not my damn fault. But I got new tires Tuesday. I'm getting an alignment at D&D Tires. They're only $79, $79.95, I believe. And every place else, a lot of places charge well over $100. So D&D Tire. But anyway, it's pretty. I even cleaned out the inside. I armor all the, I think my truck's locked right now, yeah. But you see the armor all? I cleaned it up. I just need to vacuum the inside now. But right now my back is killing me from washing my truck. So anyway, give me a thumbs up. May God bless each and every one of you.